Hello everyone, welcome to the 6th episode of Cooling System Education. In episode 5, we talked about the importance of using coolant instead of water for your cooling system. Today, we'll delve into different types of cooling systems and explore their unique characteristics. There are basically two types of cooling systems mostly used depending on the mode of application. They are air-cooled system and water-cooled system. Liquid-cooled system or water-cooled system. This is the most common type of cooling system in cars. It uses a liquid coolant, usually mixture of water and antifreeze, which circulates through the engine and absorbs heat. The heated coolant is then transferred to the radiator where it releases the heat to the surrounding air. Air-cooled system. Some older vehicles, as well as some motorcycles and small engines, use an air-cooled system. Instead of using a liquid coolant, these engines have fins and heat sinks on the engine block and cylinder heads, which allow air to pass over them and dissipate the heat. Let us now discuss the characteristics of these types of cooling systems. 1. Air-cooled system. Unlike liquid-cooled systems, air-cooled systems do not use a liquid coolant like a mixture of water and antifreeze. Instead, they rely on airflow and natural convection to dissipate heat from the engine. Air-cooled engines have faned components such as the engine block and cylinder heads. These fans increase the surface area and promote better heat dissipation by allowing more air to come into contact with the hot surfaces. As the vehicle moves forward, air passes over the fans, carrying away the heat and helping to cool the engine. Air-cooled systems are generally simpler in design compared to liquid-cooled systems because they don't require a complex network of hoses, radiator, and coolant pumps, making them easier to maintain and repair. Air-cooled engines tend to be lighter because they lack the weight of a liquid cooling system. This can be advantageous in applications where weight is crucial, such as motorcycles and small aircraft. Liquid-cooled systems. Liquid-cooled systems use a liquid coolant, typically a mixture of water and antifreeze, to absorb heat from the engine. The coolant circulates through the engine, absorbing heat and then carries the heat away to be dissipated. They have a higher heat transfer efficiency compared to air. It can absorb a significant amount of heat from the engine, allowing for more efficient cooling. Liquid-cooled systems incorporate a water pump to circulate the coolant through the engine and radiator. This is driven by an engine crankshaft and ensures a continuous flow of coolant. Liquid-cooled systems have a higher cooling capacity compared to air-cooled systems. They can effectively dissipate heat from the engine, even under demanding conditions such as heavy loads or extreme temperatures. Liquid-cooled systems allow for precise temperature control. The coolant flow rate can be adjusted, and the cooling fans can be controlled electronically, allowing the engine to maintain optimal operating temperatures in various conditions. That brings us to the end of today's episode. In our next episode, we will discuss the cooling system's pressure cap and its importance. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't drink and drive, don't text and drive, and always practice defensive driving.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please hit the like button and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on all our social media pages: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and TikTok at AutoShark Ghana for other educational content.